Hi Aquarius, I hope you guys are doing well. Thanks for dropping by and for all the love and support. Really appreciate it. This is your weekly reading from 29 November to 5th of December. For your reading, I'll be using the Everyday Tarot deck, Crazy Sexy Love Notes and the Romance Angels. Later, I'll pick 2 special messages the universe wants you to know from here. And in the end, I'll pick 1 song for you from the bowl. And that being said, let's get started. My dear Aquarius, please keep in mind that this is a general reading and may not resonate with everyone, and I only decipher what my tarot wants me to convey to you, what you truly need to hear. Now I won't be forcing any other messages. We have the Four of Wands, Six of Cups, Page of Swords, and the Magician. Now, with the Six of Cups, you could be hearing from a long lost friend, could also be a lover, okay, that you were in no contact period for a very long time. Now, this person here misses you a lot. They have been thinking about you a lot, and they are going to communicate to you. For a very long time, you guys were out of touch. Okay, maybe this person here had to move to a different city, a different state, or a continent. Okay, but they never stopped thinking about you. They could be older than you or has this old energy. Definitely there is some sort of an age gap here. And they miss what they had with you, the strong connection, the strong bond. Alright? And they are communicating to you, reaching out to you. And I feel that this communication is bringing in a lot of joy, happiness, as well as clarity and closure. Could also be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, who will initiate this conversation. Now, this person here has been stalking you on social media platforms. They could have also asked mutual friends about you. They seem to be very curious about your life. Okay, and finally, they are summing up all their courage to initiate this conversation. Yes, with the Magician here, they have been manifesting this reunion. Okay, they have been waiting for this day for a very long time. And they are highly optimistic, and yes, they are going to initiate this communication here. With the Four of Wands, now this person here views you as someone who's very kind, generous, loving, a nurturer. Maybe in the past you could have helped them out during a very difficult situation, and they are very grateful and thankful for your support. Okay, they view you as someone who brings in a lot of stability in their life. And if this is a lover, someone you are no longer communicating to, they definitely want a long-term relationship with you. Maybe, after they stop communicating to you, after you stop communicating to them as well, they started missing you a lot, and now they've come to realize your worth, and they do want this long-term relationship with you. They want to settle down with you only if you're okay with it. Alright? They have been manifesting this reunion for a very long time. Now, let me draw one card for you from the Romance Angels. It says romantic feelings. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. One special message for you from Crazy Sexy Love Notes. It says, nourish yourself. Have you been using food to numb rather than nourish? Be honest. If so, break that pattern today. Show yourself that you care by choosing healthy, wholesome foods made with love. Eat your veggies, make a green juice, and toast to your longevity. Cheers. And finally, one song for you. It says, on my mind. You'll find the link to this song in the description box below. Hope you enjoyed the reading for this week. I'll be uploading a next week's reading soon. If you liked this session, please like, share and subscribe. I would love to hear from you in the comments below. See you soon. Until then, take care.